Assalamualaikum everyone! Welcome back to my vlog and welcome back to my YouTube channel! Today is Saturday, March 14, time check, 5:25 p.m. Supposed to be, dapat nagluluto ako ngayon sa kitchen kasi nagpe-prepare dapat ako ng aming for iftar. But today, we will not eat in the house, okay? There is a company invited us to eat iftar outside in one of the hotel here in Riyadh. Nag-book si Masen last night. So, supposed to be at 6:15 dapat nandun na kami kasi syempre yun na yung break ng fasting. I think going there is around 30 minutes. Inshallah, if hindi siya traffic, makarating kami doon ng before 6. And then si husband, umalis lang siya sandali. Nagpunta lang siya ng IMEX kasi may kailangan siyang isend na cargo sa Pilipinas. And then when he will come back, aalis na kami. So, yun lang muna guys. Update ko lang kayo mamaya. Bye! Sure, this is the location because still there is 2 minutes. Maybe this one where you can ask. Look at the place. Dito kami mag-iftar. Yan. Ganda.
You want عدس ولا حريرة؟
Ades. Look at the baklava. No, look at this. But look at it.
Oh ما شاء الله.
Yeah, they make it a three. I think there's a big plate for their habibi. For the... So this is what cheese sambosa. You need sambosa. You will get one and one. Aywa, puhada. Okay. Hot hummus. You want? How many pieces?
Two. And sabanak.
This is the sabana. One or two?
Two. Big one, big one.
I will
خلاص,
get
I
one.
think this is it.
Yeah.
في سمبوسة جبن ولا ايه؟
I think this one cheese sambosa. But I don't know.
here.
Yeah.
Take, this is one لا دجاج, one لا.
So this is the laham. Later this one, or we need a big plate. I want the plate is there. Just wait first the shurba
ايوه ايوه.
because it will be cold. Yeah, you see, I can put here. Good. Beef shawarma. This. So you mean this one is from the whole Ramadan? Whole Ramadan.
Now you have to.
I like the beef better than chicken. I think there's a there's a plate there for the we finished eating sambosa. But where's the plate? The plate is there. There's a salad also. Mulukiya. Oh,
Chicken masala.
mulukiya. Patagdang ko ito. They can make pasta. na ako. There's a creme brulee, biscuit. Ayan. Ayan si Happy, oh. Sa salad. We are done our iftar here at St. Reis Riyadh Hotel. And we are going home now. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next vlog. So ayan si husband, oh. Abby.
Hi, how are you doing?